How water bottles are made. It begins with heating PET plastic to a molten state. This material is then molded into bottle preform.
Loading PET granules now. Hopper is filling up, ready for the next stage. Starting the drying cycle now. Temperature is rising, moisture content is dropping. Looks good. Clamping the mold now, injecting the molten plastic, cooling cycle begins. The preforms are forming inside the molds now. Pressure and heat create the final shape. Ejecting preforms now, watch for jams. Clear release, moving to inspection. Inserting the preform. Mold is closing. Mold opening now. Bottle released. Initiating wall thickness scan. Reading stable, within tolerance. Sorting now, flagging the warped ones. Defective bottle removed. Group is in position. Film is applying now. Sealing complete. Stacking these water cartons now. That's the last pallet. Resin melting and injecting now. Preforms to blow molder. Bottles formed, moving out.